Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and gender videos. Here I am. Okay, so I wanted to use this. These are my mom's jeans. I wanted to make a dangari initially, but now since I feel like I have limited material, I want to do a short, mom shorts. I'll fold it together so that it has the same measurement, so that one side is not long, another one short. So this is what I'm going to do. So I've finished cutting the shorts on a pair of trousers. This is going to be very simple. So I'm just going to measure the waist is like 36 inches. This is 18 times 2, 36. So 36 minus my waist, which is 28. That is about 4 inches on each side. So what I'm going to do is flip it inside out. Then now I'm supposed to remove 4 inches on both sides. So I have, remember where I marked this line? I have undone the seam up to that point. Since I'm only interested in taking down the waist, I want the shorts kind of baggy. So I'm going to take in 2 inches from every side.